Hey Divas, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'll be deep cleaning my bathroom. So I'm going to show you guys from start to finish. So this is what I'm starting out with. This is my bathroom. Ever since we moved in, all I did was just deep clean it, put up a plastic, and we started using it. I haven't gotten a chance to decorate it or anything. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead, deep clean it, give it a nice thorough clean. Then I'm going to have a next video of me decorating it. And there's my little helper. She wants to help, but you know, I have all those chemicals using. I don't want her in the bathroom. So this is how my bathroom is looking right now. Hey, that's me in the mirror. And as you can see, the mirror is dirty. The countertops, they're cluttered. So I'm gonna go ahead, declutter that and start working. The first thing I did was spray my Tilex mold and mildew along with my Lysol all-purpose cleaner in the shower, toilet bowl, and the face basin. Let it sit for a while before actually cleaning. If you just spray it down and start cleaning it, it's not gonna actually do the job that it's supposed to do. But if you leave it to sit, it's gonna find and kill all those bacteria. And this is a must-have in your bathroom, the Tilex mold and mildew. After each shower, you can go ahead, spray it down, use a rag to wash the bath out. And this is gonna avoid the buildup of soap, like soap scums in your shower or in your face basin. Now I'm gonna move on and declutter my countertop. I'm gonna remove everything from the top and put it in the cupboard. And trust me, my cupboard is organized, even though I don't have any organizers, because I put everything in their respectful place. It's not cluttered or anything. Then I'm gonna go ahead, spray down my face basin and then start working. So the first thing I'm gonna do is start working on the mirror. So for my mirror, all I used was the Windex along with a microfiber towel. I went ahead, spray it really well, and then rub it until it's nice and shiny. After cleaning my mirrors, I went ahead and started on my countertop and sink. So first I went ahead, add a little bit of bleach, rub it all over my face basin, and then I go in with the pink stuff. Now, whatever I use in my bathroom, I do not use it in my kitchen. I have separate stuff for my kitchen, so I won't do any cross contamination. So I went ahead, rubbed the pink stuff all over my countertop, clean my sink, the faucet to ensure that it is nice and sparkly, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wash everything off. Now onto the toilet. So the first thing I went ahead and did was use some pink stuff and rub it all over the toilet. Then going into the bowl with some Tilex mold and mildew along with some all-purpose cleaner. Rub it with the toilet brush to ensure I get all the grime and bacteria out, and then just ensure that everything is nice and clean. Now I'm going to move on to my cupboards, and what I realized with these cupboards, all my cupboards have like a little film over it, like they put something over it so it looks really dirty. I try to clean it, it won't come off. So all I used was some furniture polish, rub it until it was shiny, and that's it. Now onto the shower. I started out by spraying down some all-purpose cleaner along with some talc, mold and mildew, a little bleach, and then started scrubbing. I went ahead, get down on my knees, and started actually scrubbing because I don't want to see any streaks or any watermarks. I just want it to be nice and sparkly. Now, if you don't have the pink stuff, you need to get it. The pink stuff, the putty thing, you need to get it because this is going to get rid of anything that's in this bath. I remember when we were moving from our previous apartment and I cleaned the bathroom, and when I was done, the flooring of the bath was still dirty, and all I did was use some putty, some of the pink stuff putty, laid down and started scrubbing, and trust me, it came out perfect. All the white streaks, the dark streaks, everything came off. So that's why I started using the pink stuff, and it actually works. All I did was ensure that I got all the walls. I also went ahead, washed the plastic for the shower, and whenever I'm done showering, I like to spray the mold and mildew on it too, because this is blue. You're gonna see everything that builds up on it, you're gonna see it, so it's easier to clean than when you get the dark one thinking, oh, it's gonna disguise. No, that's actually harboring bacteria. Get the color that will show that yes, this is dirty. I know they said you can put them in the washer. Some of them, if you read the label, it says you can put it in the washing machine and wash it, but I've never actually tried it before, so I think I'm gonna have to try it. And the final thing that I did, what's a clean bathroom without you sweeping and actually mopping the floor? So I'm going to go ahead, sweep the bathroom out thoroughly, and then go in with a mop, a bucket, and some water. So what I used was some hot water. Yes, I boiled my water on the stove top with some Lysol, some dish soap, along with some bleach, and ensure that I get every crevice and corner of this bathroom. And trust me, when I was done, the water was so dirty you won't even imagine. And here you have it, guys. This is the final result. I'm done cleaning the bathroom. Please come back for the next part where I'll be decorating. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're new, please just go ahead and subscribe. You've reached this far. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.